was so sure you were feeling me. The way we talked and laughed, I couldn't breathe. Your energy gave me such a rush. From my perspective, this was crazier than just a crush. So I told you, no boy had ever made me feel this way. And now you're sending me mixed signals, and it's driving me insane. Taunting me with kisses that don't mean a thing. Your tempting eyes lure me in and keep me waiting. I'm exhausted from this chaos that I'm drowning in. I try to save myself, but you just throw me in again. Just a look from you and nothing else seems to matter. You consumed every part of me, and I'm crushed under the pressure. Finger and you're squeezing me on tighter now.